So which way do I go next?
You have to turn at the fork.
The fork?
Yes, the fork.
A fork.
Right there.
We found the fork in the road.
In Milan, New York.
Yeah, so check this thing out.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now.
It stands pretty tall.
So what's your feelings? The city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talking, tell what you wanna hear now.
Stephen B. Schreiber, Punny Sculpture, Rock City Arts Council. This is pretty cool. You don't see a fork in the road every single day.
We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world. 'Cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me.
So we're outside Sloop Brewing.
We're gonna go in and taste some beer, and I don't know if they have snacks or what they have, but we've never been here before, so we're about to find out. So come along.
Close to me, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight.
Going in the Sloop.
You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us.
So today we're at Sloop Brewing in East Fishkill, New York State. We've had their beers before, but we've never been to the brewery, so this is kind of cool. And we're going to do a flight today. We're going to try these four right here. We're going to go through them now. So you're going to try the first one?
Sure.
Grab it. It's
This
Green
one
Islands.
is Green Island.
Yeah, Green Islands. No cheating.
No cheating.
No, just tasty, tasty. That's all you have to say about it. It's good.
We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world.
Delicious. Let's try this up. It's very hazy.
It's
Smells citrusy.
juicy.
Yeah, it's very juicy. It's a little tangy. It has like some grapefruit going on it.
Push your lips with your wrist now.
We also have a delicious pizza.
You and your delicious. Alright, the next one is the Poland Mutant, which apparently has hops from New Zealand and the Pacific Northwest, which are two very cool places to pick hops from, I think.
They are. Actually, I've never heard of that
So,
combination.
this one, it doesn't have much nose.
That's because you have to really stick your nose in.
I stuck my nose in.
It's just not like a wine glass though. I don't think it's just stick your nose.
Alright, the next one is Sour Peach, and although we're not drinking sours as much as IPAs, this one's kind of a training wheel sour, I think is what she said. Something like that. Oh, it tastes like candy. I can't try it. It tastes like candy. Like a Sour Patch Kid, kind of. It's like sweet and sour.
Actually, this one is quite sour.
I don't know, I think it's like sweet and sour.
I don't know, but I mean it's soury.
Oh, hence the name.
Some sours aren't soury.
Well, this is middle of the road.
Okay, so next up is Simple Complexity.
Yeah, Simple Complexity. With a hint of funky fruitiness. That's what they said. That's what it says. It says a hint of funky fruitiness.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mine's juicier, Bob. It's an 8.0 and it's super juicy. What's yours?
It's super soft.
Super soft.
And I do not remember what the done with.
You can't remember. It's okay.
Actually, I found it. It's 6.
There are no wrong answers.
It's 6.
6? Wow. So not quite wheelchair grade.
No, it's middle of the road.
This is 8.0 and up is wheelchair.
Yeah, this is definitely middle of the road, but
Put you in a wheelchair.
doesn't say if you're an IPA fan, this is definitely a good one.
So had to leave on a high note, Sloop. So thank you for this one. This is awesome.
We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world. 'Cause we got love. I need only you here with me. I wanna get to your goals, gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
So we're here at Industrial Arts.
Industrial Arts Brewing, a place that we've had stuff like Wrench, Torque Wrench, I forget what else, but they're all really solid IPAs, and we're gonna go in and check this place out.
So come along.
Yeah, come along.
I've been so many places, I've seen them all with open eyes.
So we're here at Industrial Arts, which actually is only what, maybe like 15 minutes from Sloop.
Yeah, 15 minutes or so from Sloop without traffic.
So if you want to hit 2 breweries pretty close, I mean, these are 2 good ones to hit.
They are.
Take me to the place where I come from, the only place where I really belong. Take me 'cause this voyage seems so long.
And we have a couple of good beers. I have Splice, which is like a sour. It's good on a hot day. And you have
I have state-of-the-art
Galaxy.
State-of-the-art Galaxy Hazy IPA.
Yeah, that's it. So cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh, this is hardly sour at all.
Where streets are filled with people I used to race back home from school. We kids, we never back down. We learn by breaking every rule. Ooh.
This is good. This is like on a hot day like today, was it like 80 something degrees? This is really good.
Yeah, this is fine. This is really good. Maybe a tiny bit of sweat.
There might be a touch of dankness in this one too, but it's sours. I'm not sure if I can even tell.
So like I said before, I like the sweat sock. We're trying.
Alright, I'll switch with you.
Yours is like a totally different color.
Yeah, well, that's how it goes with sours.
Oh, you do have that.
Oh, I need a couple. I gotta get a couple.
It's like you have dankness in this one. Wait, this isn't sour?
Yeah,
It's so funny because it tastes more dank than sour.
I know, it's wild.
Take me to the place where